Hello, my good friends. Let us answer these three questions. These are linear equations that involve fractions. So let us see how we can solve this type of questions. So please pay attention. Number one says we should solve 3 divided by x equals 9 divided by 10. Okay, whenever you see two fractions that are joined together by equality sign, the best way to solve it will be to cross multiply. So we are going to cross multiply, and this means that x will multiply 9 to give us 9x, and 3 will multiply 10 to give us 30. Okay, to find the value of x, since we have 9 that multiplies x, what we are going to do is to divide both sides of this equation by 9, which is the coefficient of x. So we are going to divide this by 9 and divide this other side by 9. Therefore, we will have 9x divided by 9 equals 30 divided by 9. So that 9 can divide 9 to give us 1. 1 multiplied by x will give us x equals to 9 cannot divide 30 without remainder, but there is a common factor which can divide both 30 and 9 without remainder. That factor is 3. So 3 can divide 30 to give us 10, divide 9 to give us 3. Therefore, answer to this question is 10 over 3. So 10 over 3 is answer to the first question. Okay, let us now go to the second question that says we should solve x divided by 3 equals 5. Okay, so we are going to solve the second equation. Now, first thing we have to do here is, since this is a fraction, let us make 5 to look like a fraction by dividing it using 1. Anything you divide by 1 remains the same, so this is still the same as 5. Okay, now we have two fractions now. Our normal way is to cross multiply. X will multiply 1 to give us x equals 3 multiplies 5 will give us 15. Therefore, answer to the second question is 15. Let us now go to the third question. Number 3, we have to solve x minus 2 divided by 3 equals 4. Of course, you know that 4 is the same as 4 over 1. Now we can cross multiply. Okay, let me clean this first side. Okay, let me clean here and leave the question. This means we are going to use 1 to multiply x minus 2 to give us x minus 2, and we are going to use 3 to multiply 4 to give us 12. Next thing we need to remove minus 2 from the left side so that we can get the value of x. And to do that, we have to add 2 to both sides of this equation. So if we add 2 to both sides, this becomes minus 2 plus 2. And of course, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, equals 12 plus 2. So that this can remove this to give us 0. We now have x equals 12 plus 2 will simply give us 14. Therefore, 14 is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.